Okay, this is the circuit and code for the lawn mower robot. So we've got one DC motor and another DC motor. We've got an IR sensor, and we've got a front ultrasonic distance sensor and a back ultrasonic distance sensor. We've also got a servo motor and a 9-volt battery. So the servo motor serves the purpose of functionality for the blade for the trimming hedges. It's what's going to put that blade into action and help it to move front to back, side to side. The 9-volt battery is the power supply. The distance sensors, we've got one for the front and one for the back. That's going to help to the robot to not run into things and to tell it kind of how far away it is from each thing. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a distance sensor. And then the IR sensor here is also more of like an object sensor. So it detects different objects, which is crucial for a robot such as this, as it will be in the lawn on its own. So being able to tell if there's a tree in the way, or seeing if there is a hedge that needs to be trimmed, or if there's a pet walking around. Various things could happen in the yard. So that obstacle IR sensor is crucial to the functionality of this robot. And then for the DC motors, they are used to drive the robot forward or backwards. They control the robot's movement. Also very important. So we've also got 4 buttons down here. This is what actually puts the robot into action. So if you press this button here, that's for discarding leaves. So it will start discarding leaves. It's a single press code. So once the button is pressed, it will perform that action for the entirety until it is complete with that action, and then it will notify that it is complete and another button can be pressed. So the robot will return to idle after each task is performed, and the button will have to be pressed once. It does not have to be held down, but just pressed in order for the robot to move into action for the next function, such as mowing, raking, or trimming hedges. So it's discarding leaves now, and then it will tell us once it's complete. So you see down here it shows discarding complete, and then it will do the same thing for raking. It completed the rake task and it is now mowing, and then now the mowing is complete, and then the last function, last button, is trimming hedges. So it is now trimming hedges. And then once that is complete, it will let us know. And then I'm just going to scroll here for the code.